Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Into anase Kings batsumtimando mabuyo bambolunyu class. Umpola manza bafukazana bebhodla udwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger Cream de la Cream ufuna ukwenza sure ukuthi uthela itswayi phakathi bafethu. It's about to rain in the streets of Johannesburg and we want to make sure that we cover everything. We've been walking bafethu sisuke epaki nalabantu laba. Silokhu sibalandela. And then ntombazane yabona kube khona umusa namhlanje bengizothi musabuka le ntombazane igqoka usheqe baba ishayinde engihamba uniqona asingene vethu so isikhathi I think this is the right streets for us to attack now because kuthule it's been busy as you can see Sambe is treason. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings batsumtimando mabuyo bambolunyu hlase ubhodla manza bafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi. King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Do not forget to follow your boy at King Ginger _SA. Ziyakhala. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. Yes. So netswa imvula esilungwini sifunana ne-content sanibona. Dumelang sanibonani. How are you guys?
Good. How are you?
Shab. Mfethu Praga ngiyaxolisa. No, bafethu. No. I can't believe.
Yes, right.
Awuthami ngicela ukukhuluma nani mfethu
Mfethu.
No, I can't be nithi.
Ringani nhle.
No, ngicela ukuringa nawe like ngifuna ukukubuza i-question. Awuthami ungakwadi mfethu. Angilwe nawe bhuti wami. Angithi benwalker singawalker bhuti wami.
Kinhle guys. Ay.
Siswami ngina ginger ne. So imini uginger mfethu igama lami. So into engiyenza mfethu ngenza ilokhuzana ishow yami ku YouTube. So the show it's about going around and asking people ukuthi are they dating and kuhamba kanjani ku relationship yabo because they
Thina mfethu screen ngasifuni like ama camera nanani lo. Asifunda ngasisharp. That's why people.
Okay, ima bhuti wami. No, when siswami. No, ntoki ibutsa ngigori like so you guys are dating.
Yes, we're dating.
Oh, Nathana. Thanks, my brother. No, 3 questions. I promise, my brother. 3 questions.
Okay, it's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, Siswami. Thank you so much. Ngiyazi nijahile bafethu. Ngiyazi niyaphuthuma nani.
Ngiyibona li weather Asia.
Ngiyibona. So njaya, ubani igama mfethu?
Paul.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, Paul. My name is Ginger. Yes. Mamas?
Queen.
Queen. Upoli ka Queen bafethu. So my brother, I want to know from you, what is it that you love about umuntu wakho?
Eshipodi yakhe muhle.
Sure.
Yeah.
And ukuphethe kahle.
Ngiphethe kamnandi sure.
Power to that. Siswam, Queen, what is it that you love about your partner?
Oh, he's a gentleman. He's loving. Yo, motwaka guys, like I don't think out of all the people I've dated, this one is the best.
He's the one.
He's the best.
He's the baddest.
My guy.
Your guy. I love it. I'm happy, Siswami. And so, sister, out of all the guys abakhona la emhlabeni laba bahlale bekushela, yini le ekwenza strong ukuthi wena uthi I have my man.
Yeah. You know, with this guy, I know that emhlabeni wakhe
Kubusa
mina like
statue.
Queen, you understand that?
Sure.
Not just by
mistake.
Exactly.
No, I love that and I respect that. My brother.
He loves me.
He loves you. When I'm putting yamthanda now.
I'm mfethu ngiphethe kahle ke mfethu.
How do you feel mfethu ukumuzwa mfethu ekhuluma ngawe kahle kanje mfethu? Yeah.
I feel like I'm in heaven mfethu.
No mfethu, power to that. So my brother, how long have you been dating?
3 months.
Nearly 3 months.
Yes.
And mfethu awubahle goya open mfethu.
Next ngiphelela.
Uphelela lana mfethu.
Uphelela.
Ukuphi ekhaya mngani wami?
Davidson.
Davidson. Davidson angithi kunabo duduza kunazo zonke lezo indawo. Etswatwa. Salute Davidson, salute Etswatwa. My name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Davidson, Etswatwa, big up. When Asiswami Ekaya, where do you come from besides Laikoli?
Ngitswa kuVal.
Utswa koVali. Bafethu bathe Vali nginentombi yomsuthu. Uyayazi leyo line le ethi ngishe Vali nginentombi yomsuthu. I love it. Vali chori sharp mara koVali.
Ko 18 monate.
18 momoyeng bafethu. Hola waiter. All right, so my brother, kule show fethu into esenza we have this thing that is called loyalty test. Angithi uyamthemba umuntu wakho?
Yeah, ngimthemba 100%.
Perfect. Naye bengifuna ukuzwa. In a scale of 100 umthemba 100%.
Yes.
Siswami, do you trust your partner?
Yeah, I do.
In a scale of 100 umthemba kangakanani?
Yo, 110%.
It's baby king. So what we do, we're doing loyalty test. Angithi nene nithi niyathembana boma 100%. So if this thing that is called loyalty test, it's whereby when mfowethu ngikunika i-opportunity for a very first time in your life. Into ongakazi uyinika omunye umuntu opportunity even ipartner yakhe akazi kunike le opportunity. It's couple switching phones. You guys will be switching phones for 60 seconds. When asiswami uzogaya out yakho iphone for 60 seconds ukuthi check ukuthi wena ufletha nabo bani ukhuluma nabo bani and all of those things. Same applies to you my brother. Now uzomgaya iphone yakho for 60 seconds ucheck ukuthi ku WhatsApp or ku Facebook uringa nabo bani. Awuna nkinga ngithi nalokho cause uthi uyamthemba.
Mara we did talk about this lemotwaka. Okay.
It's fine. I'm saying.
Awuna nkinga nje yami.
Oh, utloba sekho moskidilo tsa so baby.
Yeah. So awuna nkinga wena siswami. Why siswami ka ruagana king ufika ing?
No.
Upita ing?
Nothing. What's it about?
So awuna stress masenza i-couple switching phones, right?
No.
You don't have a problem, right? When I am now akira una look.
Oh man.
What's one? I know tola next.
Ngiyamthemba musa. So
ngiyajabula mfethu. Okay ke mfethu akunankinga mfethu asenzeni ke i-couple switching phone khona ngizoninika nani invite nemvula izozishaya izo ne thunder nani nisafuna ukuyokwenza nani shanina. All right ngicela simelane ke. Can I have your phone? Danko, can I have your phone, mamas? Danko, Vusi, thank you so much. It's about that time, couple switching phones. My name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream, and it's about to go down. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's time for the famous question. Time for what? Famous question.
Yeah.
The famous question.
Famous question, yeah.
Power to that. I love it, my brother. Ngena lanjaya mi. Mamas, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Can I come inside?
What are you saying?
No, I'm saying, can I come inside?
Inside.
Better. What are you trying to say? Come inside. Come on.
So team my fit.
No, I want to come inside here. So this will couple switching phones. Sister, ask you
something wrong.
It's something wrong. When you nakana ing.
I can see
I want to be ing. Ke effing e unu nakana. Come inside tip jam guy.
Let's forget about it. Let's just forget about it.
Awuthi bucabangan.
Siyeke mfethu.
Siyeke ne.
Sendlulile vele.
Ngoba nawe ucabanga ne?
Bengicabanga ngisho.
Eyisile bafethu. In the middle of the street kanje nina seniyayikhalisa nje.
How
about all right, guys, it's about that time, couple switching phones. But before we jump into it, Wake, my brother, I hope you're ready. Can I please get that zoom, 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 zoom? I love it. It's Kimberly King. Come this side. It's Kimberly King. Okay, angiko sure. Yes, ladies first.
Okay, it's fine.
So tell ngawe mamazi ne?
All right.
All right, ngicela my phone. Iyiphi yakho lana? Ile.
Yeah, this one is mine.
Please open it. Okay. All right. Azakalagi. Ngicela ungimamela. All right, so let's check WhatsApp, okay? Ngicela ungene WhatsApp. All right. Whoa, now. All right, we are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to type that Chandes. Please type for me I love you. Are you good?
Yeah.
Type Bubano, I love you, 11.
My mother and him. How he knows?
When?
Yeah.
Okay.
Find anything.
Okay, cool. Don't tell you I love you. It's too easy.
Okay.
Long type I miss you. Ufagi heart.
Yeah. I always say that to my friends.
You always say that to your friends?
We hardly meet, so.
What in December,
In December, I miss you, Mr. T. Umbizanga Mr. T. About December.
What in December?
Baby, Themba. Baby.
Hey.
Mamela, you know how true caller is. The minute auto saver.
So why would I miss you, Mr. T?
So now I just save whatever I get. Give it to me, Lomo.
Hayi wena ngitsholela wena baby. Wanithemba.
Oh,
Hayi no uyangitsholela wena.
baby,
Ngitshwayela kabi nasi.
Mosquito like nalwane ke jola le mang for it.
Uba ngithemba ke. Ngicela umchaza uba ngithemba.
O so bona batho so
Emapil, sister. Oscar usawubona batho. Aribale really too. I miss you, Mr. T.
Bitu melo. Come on, utlong ka bantsha le motho wa ka mara wabo. Baby re itseng mara.
Mara why ubuyitumela intombazane?
Eh,
But why you Mr. T?
Ke yone ngotseng
Ngikhola
Themba.
yani mina ngitshwayela kabi wena masitshwayela kabi wena.
Baby,
Awunikeni musa wena.
Ima mfethu. Ima ncane mfethu.
please don't do this.
Imani wo. Hawu, bhuti wami kwenzakalani manje? Okay.
Ngitshela kabi mntana.
Cha, yehlisa umoya. Akumele ukuthi uzwe ule mfethu. Kanti awukazwaliwe yini mfethu?
Baby, come on, itla re bue kopa le gawena le rona. Baby, ba tlo ka bantsha batho ha iyo ntwe.
Awuthami asime sikhulume mfethu ungathi. Asime.
Hayi sikhulumani mfethu.
Siyakhuluma ngicela yehlisa umoya sichaze lento. Siswami wena nothi kwenzakalani?
Like I'm saying, give it to me. Now I just saved her as I get to be the Themba name. It's like baby, please.
Ngitshwayela kabi wena.
Okay.
Believe the
Come on, believe it. Come on, get na motho almost.
Okay, Awuthami.
24/7 kan taking.
Vusi mfethu, Awuthami imancane. Ngeke kuye kuvusi uma ukuthi uzolokwenza kanje. And na uzodala ukuthi nami ngikubambeke manje. Yehlisa uma angisiyaringa lana.
Baby.
Uwe wena mfethu.
Ejazi wena mfethu.
Baby. No, hawana Themba baby. Please listen to me. Kupa ngikhola hle motho wa ka. Ke o rata baby.
Siswami kupa ubuwe le wena bua nnete uyabona awuthaki kwatile no tlhalusa gore ke mang Themba
ke ntse ke bua kantse ke bontshe wena hai kai come on baby motho wa re tsabantsha baby come to see this
wena siswami okay my brother mina nginawe on this one mfethu ngicela ungalwi nami angithi usiswami uyokuchithela mina nawe sibonile soyithu siswami uyachita khuluma neawutha kwenzakalani
baby okay fine re ke be honest
yeah iba honest ke
kupa ba honest ne
iba honest ke
okay Themba ke motho fela ntse ke flatha yena
yeah
hayi
bafethu ish bafethu awuthami awufethu manje usumkhipha nini mfethu awufethu ihlisa umoya wakhipha siswami awu manje wakhipha enye
Ngitshwayela kabi lo muntu.
Ngaphathi ima
people ungiyetha so
ungakhali siswami nawe wena ofebayo wena siswami kwanto wena kwenzakalani wangithanda nabafana bawu2
No, it's not like that.
It's like what?
Oh, neribapala fela like
neribapala ka
Asento is serious. No.
But now uhethi out yakho lana uyakuthanda lo mjita lona.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Okay, butwami mina nginawe mfethu. Angithi sicheckile ifone yakhe siyabona ukuthi uyajola. So wena uzokwenza njani? Uzochubeka na njengoba umbona ukuthi uyakujolela.
Sichubeki ngisamfuni wena. Ngisamfuni.
Baby,
ngiyakho.
Okay, Awuthami, it's okay, angise sicheckile ifone yakho. Okay, asichecke neyakhe ke nawe ke butwami. You understand? Asichecke bethu neyakho phela mele sicheck.
Alright.
Yeah, bamba siswami wena manje kwenzakalani ngale out ke?
Asihayi. Kiyaka.
Neyakho. Angithi ngiyakunika. Manje wena uzokwenza kanjani ke siswami? Uthanda bani between the two? Because manje ngiyakubona ukudonsela phansi.
He's my man. Kirata yena. Baby?
Ungalokho uthi baby kuyena siswami yazazi ukuthi wrong. Xolisa kulomjita phela.
I did apologize.
No, bro.
Baby, I'm sorry. Kupangtshwarele hle motho.
No. Uthi no.
Motho wa ka ke a kopa hle. So re tlo senya ntwe ntle so.
Tampane leliphele wathi.
No.
Because ngislima. 3 months donke ngislima.
Akuyethi style baby. Nekidlala. It was
udlala ngani?
Asintwe serious.
Asintwe serious udlala kanjani udlala ngenkomo?
3 months donke ngislima. Udlala ngami ehleke.
Okay, I'll tell him. Yes. Fethu, let us check your phone. Ungivulela Fethu. Sure. Yes. What's the sister? Hayi nawe mara uyayibaxa yazi. Bamba. Okay. Now WhatsApp. All right, guys, we are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to check the Chandis. As you all see, ivele lento siyaphetha vele. My sister vele uyayifebela. Ngena la. I'm sorry.
You're making things worse.
I'm sorry. I'm not making things worse. Ngicela uze ngalana. Mina ngizama ukusiza wena sisi wami. Okay. All right. We're on WhatsApp right now. Please type for me, I love you.
Yeah, I'm done.
Wena lona? Okay. It's you. Okay. Ngicela ungidilithela I love you. Please type for me, I miss you. And put a heart. Okay. Well of food. Okay, delete. Please type for me, I'm outside. So I'm wrong lento yenza. Buka futhi le outside kwate kanjani manje.
Just.
No results. Ngicela awuthi uyayisebenzisa iFacebook angithi? Ngicela singene kwiFacebook.
What if Moto deleted it?
So don't be like that. Oh, what if ban? Angithi yabona ukuthi asithole next. What if nawe kukhona okunye ubukudelete?
No.
Ungamenzi kanjalo. Okay. Please type I love you again. Okay. We're on Facebook, guys, and there's no results. Nothing. Delete. Type I miss you. Put a heart on it. Sister Maria, yabona ukuthi udlala ngale ndoda lena.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Askis out yam ne?
Baby.
Askis out yam.
Baby, Mamela, we can talk
Vusi.
about this.
Asambe vethu. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. Uyabona mfethu ukuthi lo mntana mfethu ukwatisa le out kanjani mfethu. And what he's doing now kubhlungu because le out le illoyal in this relationship and ikwatile. Mara na le out isidonsa iviye ngani ilahlela phansi kanje mfethu. Hayi lo mshito wrong yeah. It's going crazy. My name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream. I'm with my brother Gift Mvuselelo Bafethu. As you all know, he's always next to me to protect me Bafethu. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. Hey yo. Boom. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuye ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.